Welcome to Andover Car Service Ltd, your local independent Bosch car service centre, authorised MOT station, and where we make your vehicle care easy and stress-free. From the moment you arrive, our friendly team is here to ensure you and your car get the best possible service. Whether it's routine diagnostics or complex repairs, our skilled mechanics use the latest technology to keep your vehicle in top shape, and we're always ready to greet our customers with a smile, keeping our clients informed of any work carried out and the status of their vehicle. We're committed to offering great service at a fair price, always completed to the highest standards. For almost 20 years, we've proudly served Andover and the surrounding areas, earning a fantastic reputation for quality work thanks to our amazing team of technicians and support staff. We provide comprehensive servicing and MOTs for all types of vehicles, including electric cars, because your safety on the road is our top priority. We truly care about our customers, and our team goes the extra mile to make sure every detail is covered so you can drive away with complete peace of mind. While we work on your car, you can relax in a comfortable waiting area, enjoy a cup of coffee and free Wi-Fi while you wait. At Andover Car Service Ltd, we're here to keep your vehicle running smoothly so you can get where you need to go with total peace of mind. Get in touch with us today.